Hey guys, I'm Devin. I'm a college student at Lehigh University. And I'm gonna tell you how to save a bunch of money. Who doesn't wanna save money? I wanna save money. Let's go save some money. I spent my summer as an intern at 1A Auto. So what I didn't know before I started working here is how easy it could be to fix your own car by yourself. I'm headed back to college in a few days and I wanna get my car ready to go. Their how-to videos make home auto repairs super easy. I just used their video to help me change my headlight, and it was literally just 4 bolts and then some connections and it popped right out. Super easy job and saved me a bunch of money. Replacing your headlights can be a safety thing, but it also makes your car look really cool. So I've used oneauto.com to fix my headlight, fix a flat tire, and my taillight bulb. Not only do they save me time and money, but they help me stay safe on the road. By saving some extra money on auto repairs, I'm able to save up for things I might want farther down the road, like some new wheels or a dash cam. It's so easy, you got this. If I can do it, you can totally do it. So make sure to check out oneauto.com, see what parts we have for your car before you go back to school. Shout out Lehigh! I hope that one doesn't make the video.